Picture this. You've been waiting 4 long months for a single working anesthesia machine to arrive. Finally, a donation arrives. But you open the container and your hope just vanishes. It's a mess. Mismatched systems, missing critical parts, and absolutely zero local repair guidance. And just like that, another medical equipment graveyard is born in an underserved healthcare system. Local biomedical techs fight hard every single day, but IV pumps and x-rays still sit offline. Here's the crazy part, though. It's not because the equipment can't be fixed. It's because the support network never arrived. Technicians are trapped without manuals or supply chains. We actually call this massive trap the downtime chasm. But listen, the expertise to fix these machines already exists globally. The challenge is connecting it. That's exactly where Global Biomedical Solutions steps up to bridge this massive gap. And they aren't alone. The fantastic team at EzMedSource is right there with them. Plus, the College of Biomedical Equipment Technology jumps in to complete this incredible partnership. Starting in Haiti, they're deploying connected infrastructure built specifically for these underserved healthcare systems. Now, local techs can pull repair guides, locate parts, and connect with global mentors in real time. To be clear, this tech isn't replacing these pros. It's totally empowering them. Hospitals get instant, clear visibility into their actual equipment status across multiple regional facilities. And when one tech solves a problem, bam, that knowledge helps another hospital across the world. Haiti is just the start. This support network is already expanding to Guatemala, Africa, and beyond. Why? Because every single repaired IV pump, restored X-ray, and operational incubator is a massive win. It literally means vulnerable patients get their access to life-saving care back. Because at the end of the day, healthcare technology only saves lives when it actually works. This whole movement is just beginning. So what role will you play in bridging this chasm?